Welcome to CareerLink.AI. Today, we are looking at one of the biggest challenges for students, turning overwhelming information into clear, usable knowledge. Today's use case is AI for knowledge and insights, using AI that finds, organizes, and summarizes your documents while helping you understand complex ideas. To do this, we will use Comet, an AI-powered browser that adds an intelligent assistant on top of your normal browsing. Students often face overwhelming workload with multiple assignments and readings, wasted time searching through documents and textbooks, difficulty connecting ideas across materials, information overload, missing key insights. Comet looks and feels like a normal browser, similar to Google Chrome, but with AI built directly into the experience. It can browse your entire drive and workspace, read and understand your documents, summarize long files, and instantly find the exact information you need without manually opening dozens of tabs or files. So this is the interface once you open Comet, and when you click on Assistant on the top right corner, the Assistant tab opens up. So let's go on. You can try different prompts in Comet, but I will walk through the first one. So, the first one, the professor tells you, study the whole chapter on hyperbolas, solve a specific problem, and show a visualization of your understanding. You are asked not just to solve the problem, but also to provide a visualization that shows what you understood. For today, let's take a math example from algebra. You place your first prompt in Comet now. Let's go there. This is your Google Drive. As mentioned, Comet can integrate with tools like your Drive and the websites you open. Your Drive has a lot of folders and files. You simply ask Comet, give me a summary of hyperbolas as a topic in algebra from the book College Algebra. Then solve problem 62 and help me visualize it. You have the book College Algebra saved in your Drive, and Comet is instructed to find that book in your Google Drive. Go to the relevant topic, solve a specific problem and visualize it. You paste the prompt and Comet starts working. It searches your Google Drive, finds College Algebra, and opens the book automatically. You can see it then trying to locate the section on hyperbolas in that textbook. Next, you want it to actually understand the concept for you, not just jump to the answer, so it begins reading, zooming in, zooming out, going through the derivations, examples, and explanations inside the chapter. This is where it gets interesting. After understanding the concept, Comet searches for the exercise section, for example, section 8.2, hyperbolas, and then looks for problem 62. It behaves almost like a very fast, curious student, scanning, searching, and then quickly locking onto the exact problem. Once it finds problem 62, the task is to construct a hyperbola. Now, Comet tries to solve it using what it just read from the textbook. To help you see the concept, it even opens a graphing tool like Desmos by itself and starts creating the hyperbola on the graph. It plots the correct hyperbola with the center and key points and builds the visualization you asked for. It may even make a small mistake at first, like putting two equations on the same line, but then corrects itself as it refines the visualization. After the visualization is complete, Comet provides the explanation of the concept, the worked solution to problem 62, the final visual graph that matches the problem. So in the end, you get both the answer and the understanding along with a clear visualization. Even if you are not into maths or science, this shows what AI can do today. Read your materials, understand them, and help you learn faster and deeper, not just copy answers. Visit CareerLink.AI to explore a list of powerful AI tools curated to your needs. Dive into our live circles for a deeper AI learning experience where you can strengthen your knowledge and skills. And don't forget to check out the Prompt Library, a collection of carefully selected prompt books designed to guide your learning journey. So what are you waiting for? Start mastering AI today.
And subscribe to our channel for more content like this.